Welcome to in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. Unfortunately, by default we have now set the AOD feature on our Samsung Galaxy Tab, but we'll use the application from the Play Store. So now we should go into the Play Store and in the search pool here enter the Muviz Edge application, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and installing on your device. By the way, you can use the Samsung pen or your fingers. Now I just will use the Samsung pen. For me it's better to use the pen here. So now just open the app. Here click drop over apps, and here find the Muviz Edge application and click here once on this switcher near the Muviz Edge application. Now just we should go back here, and you can see here the always on display section. Click there, and for example we can just select one from these AOD terms. For example, we can apply this term. Click here, and now just click here to the settings section. Go here to the always on display and be sure that here on near the always on display switcher you got selected the you just got turned on this switcher. And now we'll just check. So as can you see, we just successfully turned on the always on display feature on our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.